And action. Okay guys, welcome back. This is True Stevie and we're doing another unboxing of Allure Beauty box and Sephora Play. And we're gonna start with Allure. This is gonna be like a super fast one, guys. At least I hope so. Okay, so opening it up in here says, I consider myself a limited edition. So super cute that they have like a little saying inside there. You open it up. You got the Allure packaging. Underneath that is this advertisement and $20 gift certificate thing. And inside there, confetti and all of our items. One of them fell out. That didn't happen. Okay, so we have inside of here an Orbi Matte Waves Texture Lotion. It smells good. Ooh, it is kind of a liquidy lotion. I like it. It smells good. I don't know if it's meant for like just putting through your hair to like help with frizz. It says glide into damp hair. So my hair is not damp. So defining waves and natural texture as you go. Basically, it's supposed to help add waves to your hair when it's damp, and hopefully, I think that includes preventing frizz. So next in here we have a Purity Philosophy 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. This also smells good. I like it when things smell good, guys. Okay, the next up in here is Dior mascara in this very pretty like metallic packaging. Let's get in there. Oh, super cute. Oh, wow, that is a ginormous brush inside there, guys. It's not a twist off, it's literally just a pop off thing, and like that is a giant brush. I hope it doesn't. Ooh, it has like a perfume to it, guys. The mascara smells Dior show, so I'm excited to try that out. Next in here is an Hourglass, there we go, mineral primer. Oh, it's like an actual glass container, guys. Oh, I can't. And with like a little spatula thing. That's weird that it's in a glass container. I hope you can actually utilize all of the material inside of it, because with like a glass container like that, it's not like you can like squeeze out the last remnants of your primer. It does have an SPF 15. I'm kind of mixed feelings on when people put SPF in makeup, because SPF is good, but let's be honest, guys, SPF 15 or 20 or 30 or 50, all it's saying is on your face it's going to protect it 50 times better than just without anything, or 15 times better than without anything. That doesn't mean that that SPF is going to last the whole entire day. In actuality, after 2 hours, you should be reapplying SPF. Like, it's not going to be doing anything for you. So if you're going to be inside at work and then after work you're going to be outside in the car or driving or then hanging out, that's when you should be applying SPF. I'm done with my rant now. It just doesn't make sense to me. Just like get like an SPF powder that you continually apply on your face all day, and that I approve of. SPF 50 powder, setting powder, something you can reapply. Yes, I agree with that. Next item in here. God, I thought this was going to be a short one, but I just end up having rants and I just talk too much. So next item is like a Becca, what is it? Champagne Pop Shimmering Skin Perfector. Oh, it's super cute. Oh, it has a, oh, this is adorable. So here's what it looks like. It's in this little container here, and then you open it up and oh, see, you have this really pretty color, but then it's a mirror, guys. There is a little tiny mirror inside of there. I'm in love. I can see myself in this little tiny mirror, and I can apply this. Let's do this. Ooh, I like it. I like it, guys. Yep, like it. That's a favorite right there right now. And then the last item in here for the Allure box is a Morphe blending brush. So I get really, oh, it's in like in this packaging to make sure that this is the first time anybody opens this, but like, woo, I'm opening it, guys. It's mine. Here we go. Open. I love it when brushes are in subscriptions because I am building up my collection so that I can actually, you know, have more items and options. So I like the feel of it. However, I'll probably have to trim it up. It looks like it's got lots of little like feathery pieces that are gonna annoy me, but then at the same time, I suppose I'm not trying to get precision. It's just supposed to be like a blending brush. So I'm excited. I like getting brushes in subscriptions. And that was it for the Allure box, and confetti everywhere. I'm making a mess. So still really love this. This makes my day right here. Consider myself limited edition. If all the boxes had little cute little sayings inside of them, it's kind of like opening up a Dove chocolate and having that little like saying or poem or like on the inside of it. Yeah, that should be done more, guys. And next up is the Sephora Play box and love tips, tricks, and beauty hacks. Sephora Play. So they also have like a little thing in the front, but it's not quite as fun as like saying that I'm limited edition or anything like that. So inside there you have this pamphlet, which apparently has like beauty points and stuff like that, and then our little glam bag. It's kind of cute, guys. Glam Straight. They're fake swearing at me. Okay, so open this up. It's this cute champagne color, festive for the season. So inside here we have Mon Paris. Can I even get it out? Does it open? Oh, so I really like it when the samples have a little like spray applicator, not just like a little like open container that you have to like dip out and use. I like it when it has a little, it's a tiny sprayer, like, ooh, it spritzed on me. Ooh, I like it. It's not overpowering. I don't know if you've seen one of my previous unboxings of another perfume by Kat. Was it Kat Von D or like some sort of perfume and center, and it was just overpowering. Like this was just a little spray, and it smells good, guys. And then the next item in here is a triple sec. Now the first thing that comes to mind when I hear triple sec is a really delicious orangey liquor, but triple sec, this case, it is a 3-in-1 dry bar, so dry shampoo. Cute little bottle. I cannot get enough of dry shampoos. I'm really glad when I get them in my subscriptions because that means I don't have to purchase a full box of it because I just keep on getting more of it and I love it. And that way I get to choose and have all these different options of different dry shampoos and figure out which one's my favorite. And then once everybody just stops sending dry shampoos in my things, I'll have a good idea of what one to purchase the full size of. So the next thing in here is a custom enhancer drops cover FX. Super, that's a cute packaging. Oh, it's so tiny. It's so cute. It's so cute, guys. In Moonlight. Wow. Oh, okay. So it's in this little drop applicator. So I'm showing you just like. Oh wow. Wow. Okay. That's intense. Where's my little mirror from the other one? Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, guys, on the camera, but it's beautiful. Good thing it blends. Oh, yeah, because that was intense color, guys. I already had some shimmer on me, so, but that's nice. It's definitely smooth, and you can see the difference right away. I got it all over my hands now, guys. So next up in here is a Clinique Pretty Easy liquid eyeliner pen. So I love liquid eyeliner pens. That's what I used a is it DHL, like I used a liquid eyeliner on my eyes today. It glides on smoothly. It stays in place a lot better. Unless I want it to like blur out, I go for the liquid liner with a precision tip. So I'm excited about this. So it's really cute. It has like a silver top, and then it looks like a full size. So that's nice, considering that a majority products in like Sephora Play and Allure are usually like just sample sizes. So all of these are pretty much sample sizes, but that one looks like it's a full size. So caviar stick, Laura Mercier. What's a caviar stick? One of those eyeshadows in like stick form. So that's good for like underneath your eye when you want to like do an under eye shadowy look and have like more precision as to where you're putting it. And it's in this nice little like cream color, which good neutrals that go with a lot of different things. Our last item in here is Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream. So it's probably a red lipstick. That's been very common for December, is getting a red lipstick for the season. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Oh, it's pink. Oh, yay. It's pink, guys. Oh, cute. I love having travel size lipsticks because they just fit in your purse so well. And if I'm gonna put a lipstick in my purse, I might as well be a tiny travel size so that I'm not taking up so much space in there, because I will definitely fill my purse up. So I'm excited about today's haul, guys. I mean, we got a lot of really good things from Allure and Sephora Play. Out of both of them, there's several things that I liked out of both of them. I mean, Sephora Play had the dry shampoo, really cute little lipstick in pink, and this really awesome like Cover FX Moonlight drops, which I will definitely use. But like Allure had like this really cute like champagne pop, like just adorable. Like it could be an eyeshadow, it's like, it could be highlighter or blush, or like it's this shimmering skin perfector, but it has a little mirror inside of it. How do you go wrong with that, guys? It's adorable. I think the only thing that I'm kind of disappointed in the whole entire thing is that the mascara just looks like the brush takes up the whole entire thing. So it means that like I don't think there's going to be like a whole lot of product inside of it. And on top of that, I'm not particularly fond of the hourglass primer being inside of a glass container. I want to feel like I'm going to be able to use every bit of my product, and I don't think you can in a glass container. You have a little applicator to get in there, but you are not going to get all the product out of there. And since most of these products are probably really expensive, like when you get something expensive, you want to use it all. And if you can't use it all because it's inside of a container you can't get into, then I'm not so excited about that. But I did like my my options today. It was really fun to open them up. I am excited to try everything out. I am not disappointed in either of these this month, so way to go, December. So if you like these videos, please give them a thumb up, because that tells me that other people besides the voices in my head love these videos. So please subscribe below, as well as you know, add the little notification bell so that you are aware when I make more videos, which I do every Monday. I post a new video. So thank you so much, guys. I will see you next time.